Welcome back to the Francescan Disorder. Today we are in the kitchen because, not like we had any excuse to be in the kitchen anyway, but we're in the kitchen today because we're making something. Can you guess from from my background? Can you guess what I'm making? I feel like there's already a clue as to what we're making, but I'm not gonna make you guess because I'm a nice Fran. I'm a nice Fran. So I'm just going to tell you what we're making, and what we're making is banana bread. Yay! Why is nobody screaming? Why is nobody shouting for joy that we're making banana bread? Do you know I just said it and then I paused there as though I was expecting some excitement, but yeah. Yay. Yay, I'm making banana bread. The reason I'm filming this is because I've never made it. Like, as much as I've seen it all over the place, everyone is making banana bread. Everybody and their mothers is made out, and their mothers is everybody and their mothers are English. Everybody's making banana bread. Your mother, your sister, your brother, everybody's making banana bread. And I thought, okay, it's time I made banana bread. The light is going in and out because, I don't know, the sun wants to be stupid. So at some point you'll see me darken, and at some point you'll see me brighten up a bit. Whatever. Whatever the sun gives us today is what we're going to take, because we're only using sunlight because, summer is drawing closer and closer. And we like to get the sun. Anyway, oh my gosh, I just started talking something else there. Okay, we're making banana bread today because I've never made it, and the reason I'm filming, my first attempt at banana bread is because they say that anyone can make banana bread, and I think it's a lie. I think it's a lie. They haven't seen me. They don't know who I am. Like, I can never get anything right. Something is going to go bad today.
That's not true.
I think. So, the test is in France making banana bread today, because if Fran can make it, then really and truly anyone can make banana bread. So, let's get ready to rumble. Don't know why I just said that as well. What's wrong with you? Okay. So we're going to go into my kitchen now, and I'm going to wear... Should I wear an apron for this?
Yeah.
Should I wear that? No, I'm not going to wear an apron. I'm not going to wear an apron. You're just going to imagine me with my baker's apron on, and I'm going to make this banana bread. Let's get going. Let's get things moving. And actually, it's very important that I get this banana bread right, because like a lot is hanging on this banana bread. I've decided that if I get it right, hopefully I do get it right, but I've decided to only eat banana bread made by me for breakfast the next few days. So a lot is riding on it right now, and it needs to come out right. Not that if it comes out wrong, I'm not going to have breakfast next week, but let's just assume that is the case. Although Lidl is just by the corner there, and I can just pop out to Lidl if it goes bad. But yeah, let's just assume that I am making banana bread for my breakfast however long it carries me through the week. Today is Sunday. So let's just assume that if I don't make this banana bread properly, I'm not going to have any breakfast. And with that in mind, I'm going to put my all into it and hope. The most important ingredients today are bananas, and we have a lot of bananas here. I think I'm not going to use all the bananas we have. I'm only going to use let's see, those. Maybe add 2 more. I don't like that the bottom of them are green. Like, it looks It looks like they ripened under very terrible situations or very terrible conditions.
I got you some special bananas for banana bread.
What?
How many do you want?
How many are there? 4.
4.
I'm gonna add 2 more.
Make sure you're taking the ones that are smushy. Take this one, take this one. Careful.
Apparently, the first step is to mash up the bananas. I have my sous chef here.
Hi.
To, do all the jobs that I don't want to do. I don't want to be mashing up bananas, so he's going to mash up bananas for me. So yeah, if you mash up all these bananas, here you go. I'm just mashing up the bananas now. This is meant to be easy, but it doesn't look easy. It doesn't look as easy as they claim it to be. Loud here because the washing machine is going. Anyway, I'm gonna pour all the wet ingredients into the dry. I'm gonna pour all the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. So the wet ingredients is like bananas, the mashed up bananas, butter, that's melted butter, eggs and milk, and then the dry ingredients is sugar, baking powder, baking soda, flour, what else is here? A pinch of salt, not a lot of sugar because banana is sweet, remember. A pinch of salt. Have I said flour? Yeah, I've said flour. Have I? Yeah. If I haven't said it, I've definitely said it now. So I'm going to mix everything. I'm sorry you can't see. I'm doing this by myself. Okay. Now you can see. I'm just gonna mix everything. I may or not have forgotten to show you this. I don't know because I just looked up and nothing was recording. But I put I put some of the walnuts into the mix, and I just took out some here for ornamental purposes. I think that's about what I forgot to show you. But yeah, I was just doing this thing and I looked up and nothing was recording. Disappointing. Yeah, it does look good. That's how it looks. And it might be a lot, but that's because I don't want it to finish in one day, and I'm gonna share as well with the husband. So I have pre-lined this baking tin, because I do not want the thing to stick to it, and I don't think it's lined enough because I need like this bit to be lined and this other bit to be lined. So I'm going to add this to it and then pour my thingy. I actually have another baking tin because as I said, the thing is a lot, so it's going to go into 2 tins. I have to compete with this washing machine to be heard, because can you hear how loud it is? Anyway, so we're going to use that tin, and the other one that I pre-lined is going in. too much, like really and truly. It might be too much because it's going to rise and then it's going to, I don't know, explode or something. I needed to leave space in each of the tins for the banana bread to rise. But there's so much in each of the tins already. Okay, I know what to do. I think it's okay. Ooh, it's dropping. Ooh, it's dropping. I'll need to clean up a lot. Forgot you guys there for a bit. I was just as per normal cleaning as I go along. So so my banana bread is in now. I'm just going to sprinkle that on it. As I said, it was for ornamental purposes, and I have been heating up the oven at 150 degrees, and that's how I'm going to put the banana bread for 1 hour. It's been 1 hour since I put my bread in the oven, my banana bread in the oven, and it's, you know, it smells nice in here. That's the word I was looking for. It smells like heavenly in here. It smells like a bakery. I'm so anxious. Like, I don't know. I want to open it. I want to stop the oven and open it, but I also don't want to. I'm just like, oh my gosh, did it work? Did it work? Yeah, but I you know, from the window, from the glass that's covering the oven, I've had a peek and I can see that it did rise. So I think I'm gonna I have skewer sticks somewhere. Oh, I'm gonna throw everything. Yeah, skewer sticks. I'm gonna poke this through it as a test to see. Let's bring out this banana bread and see. I'm excited. It smells so lovely and it rose. I feel like it could have risen a bit more, but maybe, I don't know, I would have loved it to rise a bit more than it did, but maybe that's okay. Maybe I'm asking for too much, but we'll see. Let's see what's up with this banana bread. I haven't turned off the oven because, look, the oven is still on. I haven't turned it off because, like, I'm so worried. But let's see what's up with this banana bread. I have my skewer there. I'm going to poke it and see. Okay, that's not cooked. It's still very wet. And okay, I'm gonna use I'll use the other end for this one. It's still very wet inside. This is also wet. Look at the previous end. Why? It's been 1 hour. It's been, I don't know, a few more minutes since the last time. I put the bread back in the oven because it was, a bit moist inside. I'm going to bring it out now because I think by now it should be properly cooked. Then I'll let it cool down for a bit and slice it open and hopefully not find a rude surprise that is still moist inside. I mean, I've done my best. I've given it my all. We'll see how it goes. That's my banana bread out of the oven. I don't like it. I liked how it was the first time I brought it out because I don't know, it was still, it looked, I don't know. I feel like now it just looks a bit crunchy on the top. I don't want the top bits to be this hard. This is not what I wanted. I preferred how it was when we first brought it out before, but then the inside was still moist when we brought it out previously. So what did I do wrong? I don't know. Anyway, also another annoying thing is that this baking paper is doing the opposite of what it's supposed to do and sticking to the bread, but my flatmate has confirmed that it stuck to his own bread as well, so probably not my fault. Nothing I could have done. This looks burnt, but it's not burned. Oh! I'm gonna slice it on camera for you to see. And we're all going to find out together what it's like inside of it. I'm so worried that I'll slice it and it will be like moist. It will be a smoothie inside. Banana smoothie inside of it. Also, I don't know how dense this banana bread is meant to be, but it feels very, dense and heavy. And look what that stupid baking paper did. Took off some of the bread when I took it off. But yeah, overall, it still looks good. Until we slice it and find out. I think it rose before and then when I opened the oven it fell flat. Hope the other one was like that because of the theme. This looks better, feels better. Yeah, it's not worked. We're going to try again. I'm not going to back down. We're going to try again. I think I know what happened, but I'm not going to say it. I'm going to wait until I try again. And, I'll see you in the next trial.